was years ago, the night they came. The streets were crawling with them. We had nowhere to go, nowhere to run. People were screaming, pounding on doors. We thought we wouldn't make it, but then we remembered the loft.
So many could have been saved. If only they had a way out, a way up to safety.
Zombie apocalypse got you down? Don't worry. With Bcompact's folding staircase, you can make a quick escape up to the loft, because nothing says, "I'm not home," like a staircase that folds away. Don't delay. Order yours today at bcompact.com.